Hello everybody, welcome to my channel Travel with Divya. So in today's video, I am going to do a makeover of a corner in my room. Basically, I am going to change a very old and monotonous corner into a cozy corner, like nicely dressed corner. So I'll show you the corner once. So this is the corner basically, and I'll also share a picture of this corner in here maybe somewhere, and you can see that how monotonous and how boring this corner looks. Actually, there was a furniture at this place like 2 days back, and since now I've just cleaned this portion and I'm planning to do something with no budget. Basically, it will be a no budget makeover, and I'll try to make something good out of this place and out of those things and stuff which I have at my place. I'll try to buy least things and make this place a better place, like a good one. So my first idea is about this dumbbell. I have sets of dumbbell over here. You can see this. So they were like placed inwardly, like big dumbbells were down and the small ones were upside. So now I have just placed them in this way, just to make it like a table. Okay, so I just planned to make it a table, and that's the reason I have placed them like this. And it will go like I'll do some decoration over here, so that it looks something similar to a table, and I can keep few stuffs on there. And again, I'll place a seating over here, and then again a few decorative items and some items which are available at me and which are of no use at this point of time. So I'm going to place them over here with some attractive things added to them so that they look more beautiful. So please stay tuned and stay connected to watch further converting this place into a beautiful place. So guys, I have created an outline of this area, like how it will be, something I'll make out of this related with these things. So I'll just show you once. So it will look something like this. Can you see it? So here I have kept dumbbells. I'll make a table out of it. This will be the flower pot. I have one empty which is of no use for like since last 1 year, a bottle. And this is my seating, and that will be the cushion from pillow. So it will be something like this. I'll just cover them and make them beautiful and beautify them using few stuffs from outside, and then I'll show you the final results, and I'll also show you the process of making some stuffs. I have planned to make a few wall pictures and something at this wall and some at this wall, and I also plan to keep some stuffs on this table which I've created, and also this flower pot will be filled with some colorful things. So let's see what happens next. So yes, this place is now done, and I'll show you how it has been done and what I have used over here since lockdown has happened. So I didn't had an option to just go and buy anything from outside, so I just did it everything with what was available at the place. And let's see it once. I'll tell you about each and everything, what I have used and how I have done it. I'll just share a picture of this place to get a better view of this place. I'll start with things like this is just a a double colored dupatta. I have used this just to make like this, something like this. I'll just do it like this so that it covers most area and look more like prominent. Like now it's just looking like a hanging thing. I'll just do it something like this so it looks more pretty. Yes, I just got this idea right now while making the video. And this is something which, like, I'll share a picture from where I saw this. I saw it was a group of photos with this modern art done on it, and it was plated on a wooden like frame. But since I was not having any wooden frame, and that also this many was not possible to get, so I just used these duct tapes to cover them and just give a illusion of a wooden, like a wooden illusion. Just to provide that illusion, I used this. So I just took white chart papers and like did all the, I'll show that picture from where I got this idea of doing a modern, this type of art. I just saw from those pictures and draw these things, and then I just stick them on this wall using a duct tape. So this is one portion. Now here comes, like, I did a table thing. So for this table, it is basically weights of dumbbell. I use these weights and I just inverted them, like they were kept like this. Obviously we keep things in the order, like big ones are kept down and the smaller ones are up. So I just inverted them just to give it an illusion of a table. And on this table I have kept a coffee mug and like 2 books and again a painting. This is also a modern art. I saw it from there. I was planning to get a pot, put a drawing on this mug and one drawing on the pot, but since lockdown happened, so I was not able to get the pot. So I just made those other 2 drawings and just kept it here on this board, just to make this place beautiful. And this one I just kept it just to give match with this. And now about this seating area, I had an extra what do we call it, I had an extra gadda, this is a mattress. I had an extra mattress, so I just folded that and kept it here, and I covered it with it is a shawl basically that was lying, and since now it's summer, so it's of no use, so I just covered this with this shawl. And this was a pillow I had, so I covered it with a dupatta and I used a stole to just create a bow look so that it looks like a bow. So this was this area, and this is again a modern art which I have done. And this was an empty bottle. Basically, here in Delhi we get water from these bottles, so I had one extra bottle lying at my place, so I used this bottle. First I thought of putting down magical balls and some thermal balls in this and just create something different, but since I didn't had that option, because I don't have that at the place right now, and I didn't had any option to just go and buy them, so I filled this with colorful blankets. I had 2 blankets, 2 colorful blankets, so I just kept both of them inside this bottle. I just pushed them in inside this bottle, and then I kept a little bit a part of it just to make it look flowery and just give it an illusion of flower pot. So this is the area which I have created using basic stuffs available at home. I just wanted to use some fairy lights to cover this area to make it more beautiful, but since I don't have them available at my place, so I was not able to use them because I have 2 switches over here. So it was very easy to create that thing, fairy light part. And if I want to put any lights, so if you have lights available at your place, you can use them and create something like this. I'll share the picture of this modern art so you can take the help and do this. This looks very good. I have only 3, 3, 6 and 9 over here, but there were actually 12 pictures. So 3 of them are lying at my place, like since I had only this space to cover, so I thought that if I put again the 3 which are left, so it will look too hodgepodge and it will be like too much done over here. So I just removed them, I just kept them away, and this was enough, I thought. And this area was a little bit dark since the furniture was kept over here, so I just covered it with another like colorful picture. And that's all about this area. I'll share a beautiful picture of this. You can like make this type of a corner for yourself without using a lot of furniture, and just try to make best use of things available at your place. Then you'll get a good ideas. Like if you have a lot of availability, you will not get ideas, but if you have lack of availability, you will surely make out something good out of what is available at your place. So make something like this and share that in comments. Let me know if this helps. Thank you.